Hello guys, welcome to the new video. In this video I'll be showing you how to use year fraction, how to use today function, and what was the particular day on a particular date. So today function gives the date what is on today. So today is 8th of May. When we used today function, it gave us 8 May 2020. So let us find out what is the difference, what is the age difference between date, which is in column F, and today's date, which is in column G, equal to year fraction bracket start date, today's date, and basis means what do you want to get, actual age difference between these two dates. So let's use actual 1. It gives 17.16. Let's decrease it to 2 decimal places. 17.16 equal to, when we drag it till the end of that bottom, we see that we got year. So 2003 to 2020 we get 17 something. So in this way we can get that how old are we. So how old are we? Let me use a few date of births of mine as well as my relatives, which I know. So how old they are on today's date: 18 December 86, 23 August 87, 11th May 96, 15 July 90, 11th June 1959, my mother. I'll mention whose date of birth these are. Nishant's, mine. Neha's. Diksha and Priya, my sisters. Mridula Sinha, my mother. And I'll show you that how old these are, how old we are on today's date. I'll use equal to year fraction to find the actual age of these individuals, equal to year fraction start date means date of birth, comma end date means today's date, comma basis actual. I'll use 1 bracket closed. So I'm 33.38 year old. Neha is 32.71. Diksha is 23.99. Her birthday is coming 11th May. Let me show you by another. When we chose 1, let me show you by choosing some other index. Actual 365. How much it shows? Same. Let me choose some other index. Start date, end date, and basis. Actual 360. So actual 360 means if 1 year is of 360 days. And let me show you that what was the day particular, whether it is Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, on some famous dates of India. Independence Day, we all know that it's on 15th of August 1947. Republic Day, 26th Jan 1950. Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd of October 1869. Subhash Chandra Bose birthday, 23rd Jan 1897, I think so. Martyrs Day, the day on which Mahatma Gandhi was shot dead. Bhagat Singh hanging day, 23rd March 1931. My birthday, 18 December. Diksha's birthday, my lovely sister. My mom's birthday. August 1947, Republic Day, 26th January 1950. (1816) 2nd October 1816. Oh, in Excel we have some limitation. We cannot use the date which are before 1900. Subhash Chandra Bose and Mahatma Gandhi was born before 1900, so I think we have to remove them. Okay, so 30th Jan, what is the 30th Jan 1948, Bhagat Singh 23rd March 1931, 18 December 1986. Diksha, 11th May 1996. So what was there? The formula for this function to get day is given equal to text, particular date, in double quotes, triple D, double close. So it gives FRI, means we got independence on Friday, Republic Day was on Thursday, Martyrs Day was on Friday, Bhagat Singh was hanged on Monday, I was born on Thursday, Diksha's birthday is on Saturday. So if we want to write full, not FRI, if we want to write Friday, if we want to get Friday, so we have to use equal to text, date, double quotes, 4 times D, double quotes closed, bracket closed. So see, we got all but in full, dates in full, Friday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Thursday, Saturday. So guys, that's it from this video. How was the video? Hope you have learned something new. If you liked it, then do like the video, post a comment on my video, and give feedbacks. What would you like to learn? Do like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye. Stay safe.